Turkey has once again captured the attention of the military world after showcasing its latest generation of combat drones. The Anka 3 unmanned aircraft was developed by the national defense company Turkish Aerospace Industries. Tie-in is touted as one of the most advanced combat drones Turkey has ever produced. This drone was first officially introduced at various international defense exhibitions and immediately attracted attention for its futuristic design and highly advanced combat capabilities. With the stealth concept and artificial intelligence technology, the Anka 3 is designed to carry out a variety of complex missions, from reconnaissance and precision strikes to electronic warfare operations. One of the most striking features of the Anka 3 is its flying wing design. This design makes the fuselage resemble a large wing without a protruding tail. This shape is not merely aesthetic, it is designed to reduce radar reflection, making the aircraft more difficult to detect. Furthermore, the Anka 3 is equipped with an internal weapons compartment. This means that various types of missiles or precision bombs can be stored inside the fuselage, rather than hanging from the wings. This method helps maintain aerodynamic shape while maintaining stealth characteristics. The Anka 3 is designed as an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, a drone capable of conducting full combat operations without a pilot in the cockpit. This aircraft is expected to be capable of high-speed flight with a considerable range, making it suitable for long-range military operations. One of the technologies that makes the Anka 3 even more sophisticated is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into its operating system. With AI support, the drone can perform various tasks more autonomously without always requiring direct control from an operator on the ground. For example, the drone can automatically adjust its flight route to avoid air defense threats, identify targets through visual sensors, and even manage energy usage during missions. This technology makes the Anka 3 more efficient and flexible in various operating conditions. Furthermore, AI also enables the drone to work as part of an interconnected military system. In modern warfare scenarios, drones can share data in real time with fighter jets, satellites, and command centers. The Anka 3 is also designed to support the loyal wingman concept, where drones operate alongside manned fighter aircraft. In this concept, the drone acts as a companion, assisting the main aircraft in carrying out military missions. Drones can be used to conduct reconnaissance before fighter jets enter enemy territory. Furthermore, the Anka 3 can carry additional weapons, extend sensor coverage, or even act as a decoy for enemy air defense systems. The loyal wingman concept is gaining popularity in modern military strategy because it enables the combination of human and autonomous systems on the battlefield. Modern combat drones are required not only to have strong attack capabilities but also to have extensive range. The Anka 3 is designed to have a considerably longer operational range and longer flight time than conventional tactical drones. This capability allows the drone to carry out surveillance or patrol missions for extended periods without requiring frequent return to base. In military operations, high flight endurance is crucial for continuously monitoring situations in conflict areas. Furthermore, the Anka 3's advanced navigation system allows the drone to operate in various weather conditions and challenging environments. The presence of the Anka 3 is evidence of the rapid development of Turkey's defense industry in recent years. The country is already known for its various successful combat drones, including the Bayraktar TB2, which has been widely used in various military operations around the world. However, the Anka 3 brings even more advanced technology, combining stealth, AI, and strategic combat capabilities in a single platform. This demonstrates that Turkey is not only focused on producing tactical drones, but is also developing a new generation of combat drones. With its various advanced features, the Anka 3 has the potential to become one of the most influential drone systems of the future. If development and testing continues successfully, this drone could strengthen Turkey's position as a global leader in unmanned aircraft technology. High-precision strikes using smart bombs and guided missiles, reconnaissance and surveillance using electro-optical sensors and modern radars, electronic warfare, including the ability to disrupt enemy communications systems. AI-based autonomous operations, which allow drones to carry out some missions independently. The successful development of the Anka 3 is inseparable from Turkey's ambition to reduce dependence on foreign military technology. Over the past 2 decades, the Turkish government has invested heavily in the domestic defense industry. Companies such as Turkish Aerospace Industries and various national research institutions have developed various drone systems that are now widely used by the Turkish military in other countries. One of the most famous is the Bayraktar TB2, a combat drone that has attracted global attention for its use in various modern conflicts. However, the NCAC-3 is considered a far more advanced technological leap than previous generations. While the TB2 is known as a tactical combat drone, the ANKA-3 is at a more strategic level. With stealth technology and more complex combat capabilities, military analysts believe that the arrival of the NCAC-3 could bring significant changes to modern warfare strategy. Drones with stealth and precision strike capabilities enable military operations to be conducted with less risk to human pilots. Furthermore, drone operational costs are typically lower than those of conventional fighter aircraft. This allows countries operating advanced drones, like the NCAC-3, to conduct military operations more efficiently yet remain effective. The concept of drone use is also increasingly evolving toward network-centric warfare, where various weapon systems are interconnected within a single data network. In this system, drones like the NCAC-3 can exchange information with fighter aircraft, satellites, and ground command centers in real time. The emergence of the NCAC-3 has attracted attention not only within the military but also within the international community. Many countries are monitoring the development of Turkish drone technology as the country becomes increasingly aggressive in the defense export market. Several countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia have expressed interest in Turkish-made drone systems. If the NCAC-3 successfully enters mass production, it is possible that this drone will become a leading Turkish export product in the future. However, on the other hand, the development of combat drone technology has also raised concerns about the potential for a new arms race. Many countries are now racing to develop increasingly sophisticated military drones, including those with autonomous capabilities. Based on artificial intelligence, the launch of the NCAC-3 demonstrates Turkey's increasing commitment to developing next-generation military technology. In addition to this drone project, the country is also developing a fighter jet called the TFK-AAN. Collaboration between manned fighter aircraft and combat drones like the NCAC-3 is expected to be a key part of Turkey's future military strategy, with a combination of stealth technology, artificial intelligence, and precision weapon systems. Turkey is striving to build a modern and globally competitive air force. Ultimately, the NCAC-3's presence is more than just a showcase of military technology. This drone symbolizes the progress of Turkey's defense industry and evidence that competition in the development of combat drone technology is intensifying globally. If development and testing proceed smoothly, the NCAC-3 has the potential to become one of the most influential combat drones in the coming decade, strengthening Turkey's position as a major player in the global defense industry.